make some scallion and chive vegan cream cheese, totally from scratch. It's gonna be so good. Refrigerate for 4 to 6 hours. Patience is key with this one. And then we'll see how it turns out. Oh my god, you guys, breakfast just got elevated! Bagel and cream cheese will never be the same. Dairy-free, cruelty-free, and so freaking good. Thanks for watching this video. I probably have seeds in my teeth, but nonetheless, if you like this video, comment, share with a friend, and don't forget to subscribe to see more.